Congratulations! You have a variety of sources for your university assignment, and now you need to cite them. What does that mean? Citation is a way of noting where you found others' ideas which you used for your work. It's a way of giving credit to the original authors instead of just taking from their work. Citations are expected in your academic writing as they make it clear how you developed your arguments and viewpoints. Not using proper citation is considered cheating or plagiarism, and there can be serious academic consequences for this. Maybe that sounds scary, but think of it this way. By citing, you prove that you can integrate the work of others into your own, and it allows your readers to locate your sources. The key is to keep track of your sources or citations as you work on your assignment, in order to include them in your final work and in the list of references at the end.